guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing makeup like literally every other person on this planet. And yeah, let's just start. The first thing we're going to be doing is my base. And I usually do a really simple base because I don't like foundation. I wear just concealer, but maybe I'll get a skin tint if like I get attacked in the comments or something like that. There's literally no one commenting on my videos. Comment on my videos, please. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, okay? Comment down below. It helps me. The fact that I say this in full confidence while looking like that. Oh my gosh, my chair is squeaky. Okay, if you hear my chair squeaking the entire video, yeah, sorry, can't help you. My bad.
My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm
also, if I am not looking directly at the camera, I'm sorry, I'm looking at a mirror off to the side. So yeah, if you don't like me making eye contact with you, good, because I probably won't be. You know what? I'm just now realizing that I probably should have done my base like after I did my eyes. So, bad planning on my part. Whoops. I'll know better next time.
somebody else is on your mind while you're still.
I am using this Revlon brow ink. I'll be linking this stuff in the description, and I will regret me saying that later because it literally takes me like 30 minutes to load up all this stuff. So just say thank you. I will be using this to the cover girl to swipe them up. It's like clear mascara, just like that, but I use it for my brows. Amazing, yes. Slay. Gosh, stay up. I told you to stay up. So for today's video, I think I'm just gonna be using this palette because it'll just be a neutral look. Also, I don't have contour, so... Oh gosh, oh no. That's not my color. Never mind, I changed my mind. That was a disaster. I realized that cool toned browns don't work on my skin. So for contour, I guess we're going back to smoking roses. Slay. Okay. Fabulous. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, it's fine. It's good. We're good. We're fine. I'll start light and we'll go from there with the contour.
She makes you so happy. I'll listen.
Snatched. I saw this TikToker do this thing a while back, and she like, you know, brought the contour down her nose with her fingers, which is what I just did right now. We will get a snatched nose. We will get snatched everything. And then I'm gonna take a darker color with my finger and just like pat it on the corner. And then I'm gonna try and blend it out with this. And then I'll start to do the same for the other side. Now for the tricky part. So, I'm nervous because I'm gonna have to do a wing. Kind of mapped it out with like this brown eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna blend it over here and then do like a black eyeshadow to make it look, you know, like eyeliner. You wanna know which eye was the problem child? My left eye. Well, technically it's your right, but gosh, okay, it's fine. We're good. It's decent, not amazing, but it's okay. It's okay. Next up is mascara. So we're gonna use the Total Maybelline. Okay, I did the mascara. Also on my bottom lashes. I think they're a bit too spidery though. I want those thick, but like kind of short bottom lashes. I feel like that would look really nice. I'll have to get like volumizing mascara because that one is like lengthening and volumizing all at the same time. Next, I'm feeling a little bland, so I am going to do freckles. For the freckles, I am using this brow ink that I use for my eyebrows. Okay, good enough. I don't even know if you can see those on camera, so that's kind of sad. But next we are going with blush. Is real.
For a leave, my kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance.
We're going to do the lips. I am a person who doesn't have a lot of lipsticks. I want to get the Pillow Talk one, so I might try and buy that sometime, just because everyone else has it. And then I'm gonna use this. My stomach's growling. I'm hungry. I'm sorry, I haven't eaten. Okay, Buxom lip gloss. It's plumping lip gloss. I didn't really get it for the plumping part. I got it for the color, but I guess it's nice. It's a nice color. I don't even know if it goes with this look, but I literally wear it every day, so I mean, why deviate from the inevitable? That was smart. Quote me on that. And oh, I forgot. You cannot forget the highlights, even though I just forgot now. I'm gonna do a little zhuzh, you know, here and there.
My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like to know what you're thinking, but I'm kind of shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, and I'm not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control.
Can you guys see that? Does that do? I think we're done. Are we done? Yes, we're done. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Bye.